Okay, so the first sample came in, and we're just gonna see if it's up to par. I forget which color this one is, but if anything is up to our standard, we're gonna start selling these. You've probably already seen some merchandise that we started selling on Instagram. We haven't got our website up just yet, but next phase is we're gonna start doing shoes as well. So let's see what we get. And interestingly enough, there's no size information anywhere on the inside. Now they mentioned that these are just prototypes, so really what I'm going to do is I'll make some notes of what I'd like to see change. Really the only thing I'd like to see change is the excess of glue, some more traction on the bottom. However, their answer or their reply to me is probably going to be that this is just a beta. That's not going to be the final product. It's excess of string. It's just, I'm okay with it. It's just not something that I would want to send to customers. Here's another excess of string right here. I mean, me as a consumer, I'll just cut that off, but if I'm going to be shipping these out, I don't want stuff like that. It needs to be cut off. It needs to be caught by QA. So I'm going to test drive these and see how they are as far as feel and comfort is concerned from day-to-day use. With the next batch, they send me a little bit better quality. So anyway, stay tuned. I'll keep you guys posted.